Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get Netflix with MetroPCS. At first, go through Play Store and install T-Mobile app. Next, open the app, enter your email and password and log in to your account. Once logged in, from the home page of the app, tap on Account at the bottom. From here, select Add-Ons. Next, scroll down and click on Manage Data and Add-Ons. From here, select Netflix subscription according to your needs. Then this review page will appear. Review your order, then hit Agree and Submit. From here, tap on Go to Netflix. As the final step, tap on Accept and start watching. Now you're done. That's how you can get Netflix with MetroPCS. Thank you for watching.